Outfit all the day. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was to show you the fit of the day. So today Coast is doing me the way it wants. It's it's raining at some point, it's not raining at some point, and I really wanted to go to the beach today. You know, had a great night here last night. Now I just want to get to the beach for some photos and videos and to be like, yay, I got there. But now the rain. It's raining and stopping. So I don't know if I'll manage. But just in case, I'm sweating a lot here. Ooh. In case imekatika mahali. So in case I'll manage to get to the beach, I want to. But wait, is it advisable to do makeup and then there's this heat? Actually, no, right? Because at least this way I can be doing this, what I've been doing all along. But now if I do makeup, will I be able to do this? I think I shouldn't. Yeah. Let's just keep it natural because it's raining, but the heat. And then I've done one very big. It's something I've not done in a long time. I've taken black coffee. I've not taken anything sugary like tea, coffee, such in a very long time. So it's adding to the heat. So let's see if we'll be able to go to the coast. So I plan to tell the hotel to recommend someone to take me. Because I'm alone and I'm just a girl. So either a rider take me there for a few minutes and then get back. Because with that rain and my hair, my hair. My hair is just here for aesthetics. Saitaki stress ni baby girl. Don't rush me. Alright, so let's see if it has cooled off, and then I step out to the beach and come back. I'll let you know. In case I'm going, you'll know. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Ito umesema inaitwa Kasta. Hivyo tu hivyo, hiyo jina basi. Hiyo jina inanilemea hiyo Kasta. Hiyo jina hiyo yenye imenikataa. Na hiyo jina yenye imenikataa siipate. Asante. Vile inafaa vizuri, kadogo kazuri. Nsizame, mimi bado mdogo.